buddy. Thank you. First impressions.
It's great. It's spacious. I did not want to share the bed with Brooklyn though.
Snuggle time.
We were all really excited to finally be on the boat. We all jumped on board, started unpacking our things, claiming bedrooms, and we kind of realized we hadn't eaten since Shake Shack this morning. So we asked one of the guys on the dock for a restaurant recommendation, and he pointed us to a restaurant up on the hill.
Alright, Riles, what are we doing?
Fly right as we're going to get some food, some lunch slash dinner because we're hungry. Oh, no,
Yeah.
that's legendary.
Look at that.
Just checked in, put our luggage down in the boat. Now we're on our way, walked up this hill, on our way to dinner. No idea where. Apparently it's a good place to eat.
Our boy Edward at the charter company at the marina recommended this restaurant to us. Matcha's Bar and Grill.
What's the best chat? I thought it'd be okay.
Hey, Hoodies.
When I was leaving an area,
How's dinner?
so good. It was actually way good. Delicious. Finger licking good, even in the islands. He's okay.
Just had a fabulous dinner.
Oh yeah.
Now we're getting all our food to provision for the week. We didn't bring enough body wash.
Oh, that's fine. Yes, we do. I need some. Oh, Lily Collins, where's you? Yeah, we do.
Avocado oil.
Okay, done and done.
Avocado oil.
Avocado oil.
Avocado oil.
Kevin's not here.
Kevin's not here.
anyone says they're hungry, they're thrown overboard.
Right now.
You alright, Brooklyn?
Potato? I don't think you're gonna like.
Oh yeah, loading up in the taxi. Let's hop in.
Man, and you guys know the movie Frozen, right? So
Yeah.
she sings to me, she says, Daddy, well, I can build a snowman, ride a bike around the hall. And I said to her, you know, I said, Jaquella, I can build a sandman, or lay upon the beach. Yep, so it's a white Christmas nonetheless.
No.
Yep, either seasons greetings or you say, hey, seasons and seasons. You say that to anybody, they'll think that you've been here before. They'll watch you like they'll do a double take. Seasons greetings, eh? Yeah, right back at you.
Hey, Chetty boy.
Yeah, get that watermelon, Chad. Don't let that watermelon go home with Jason. On behalf of the people of the Virgin Islands, I want you guys to have an amazing time here and to remember that it's still okay to sail fast and live very slow.
Yeah.
Sail fast and live very slow.
I
guys.
love
My absolute
it.
pleasure on behalf of the people of the
Thank you,
Virgin
Jason.
Islands.
Thank you, Jason.
We have to eat those tomorrow, but
Everyone's tired from a long day of traveling.
So tired tonight.
We're planning our day tomorrow.
Well, we're trying to at least.
Trying to figure out which dives we want to go do. Got the parents up in the V berth. Bedroom back there. Bedroom back there. Hudson somehow scored the queen size bed to himself
This is not a queen
out in the
size.
salon. Basically, look how big it is.
I legit don't have my own room.
Oh my goodness.
That's I'm
This
taking
isn't
that
even a
for me
bed,
now.
it's just like a. It's like
Got our galley here.
It's not even mattress, it's just
And our
like-
one bathroom. Separate shower. And then there were two.
There we go.
Planning the week. Just needs to be subtle. It's like ads for effects.
Okay.
Alright, me and Brooklyn are burning the midnight oil. Just figured out our dives for the trip.